I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the phone, install Universal Copy, and immediately enable its accessibility service so the app can read the screen. Once done, grant overlay permission so the activation bar appears over other apps. Now open the app or screen with the text you need. Make sure to position the content clearly. You'll activate Universal Copy next. Tap the notification or floating button to start capture mode, which lets the tool detect selectable text. With capture mode active, the screen is analyzed and visible text regions are highlighted. This is how the app knows what to extract. Then use the selection handles or the lasso tool to refine exactly which lines you want. Drag slowly to avoid missing words. Once selected, choose Copy to Clipboard, Share to another app, or Export as text. Make sure to preview the extracted text to catch OCR glitches before you paste it into documents or messages. Finish by pasting the copied text into your target app and quickly scanning for OCR mistakes. Use the Edit option when available to correct capitalization or missing characters. If text won't detect, switch to the Image OCR mode or improve screen lighting and retry. As a key troubleshooting tip, if captures stop working, revoke and regrant accessibility and overlay permissions, then restart Universal Copy. This resets recognition services and usually resolves permission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.